The MEETS level of Standard 9.1 wants you to calculate the frequency, period, and amplitude of an object in simple harmonic motion using a set of data or a graph. In this situation, we're going to look exclusively at the set of data. So taking a look here, the first thing that we need to look at is the period. We need to remember that the period of something is the time it takes to complete one entire cycle. So that means the time it takes to get from A back to A, right? One cycle is from A to C and from C back to A. It needs to get back to where it started. So our time from 0 to 1.2 is our period, a period of 1.2 seconds. For frequency, we need to remember that frequency is equal to 1 over t, and t is the period. So for frequency, we get 1 over 1.2. You can divide this out and get a decimal if you'd like, but I'm going to leave mine as a fraction. We need to remember our units for frequency is hertz, and we abbreviate that Hz. Last but not least, we have amplitude. For amplitude, our equation is 1/2 the high point minus the low point. So the most important thing here is that we take a look at this ruler. We need to see where this is touching. So over here, this is 0 centimeters. If we follow this down here, we see that this is at 28 centimeters. So if we take 1/2 the high point minus the low point, we get 1/2 of 28 centimeters minus 0 centimeters. 1/2 of 28 centimeters equals 14 centimeters. So amplitude is 14 centimeters.